HPE7-A03 exam practice questions with explanations are available in the video for you to study. When conducting a wireless site survey without access to official floor plans, which of the following sources provides the most effective alternative for estimating site layout and coverage planning? A. A blank sheet of paper. B. Google Maps. C. Basic hand-drawn wall sketches. D. A fire escape plan. The answer is D. Fire escape plans are often available at most buildings and include accurate room layouts, wall placements, exits, and sometimes scale references. This makes them more useful than sketches or external map tools when performing initial site surveys or planning wireless simulations. When selecting multimode fiber types for high-speed networking, what are two key differences between OM4 and OM5 cabling? Select 2. OM4 supports distances up to 100 meters, while OM5 supports distances up to 150 meters using 100 gigabits per second transceivers. B. OM5 supports multiplexing over the 850 to 950 nanometers wavelength range, whereas OM4 does not. COM5 is designated as wideband multimode fiber, WBMMF, while OM4 is not. DOM5 supports 100 gigabits per second speeds, while OM4 does not. The answer is BC. OM4 is optimized for a single wavelength, 850 nanometers, while OM5 extends that to support short wavelength division multiplexing, SWDM, over 850 to 950 nanometers, allowing for more channels on a single fiber. OM5 is officially classified as wideband multimode fiber, WBMMF, and is backward compatible with OM4. Both OM4 and OM5 support 100 gigabits per second, but the difference lies in how OM5 does it more efficiently and over longer distances with SWDM, not necessarily a speed difference. A customer requires a solution that provides clear visibility into network usage and performance metrics across their environment. Which Aruba product best meets this requirement? A. Aruba Central. B. Aruba ClearPass. C. Aruba UXI. D. ArubaOS-CX. The answer is A. Aruba Central is a cloud-based network management platform that provides deep visibility into network usage, client activity, application performance, and infrastructure health through dashboards and analytics. ClearPass is primarily for access control and policy management. UXI, User Experience Insight, focuses on simulating user experience for applications and Wi-Fi. ArubaOS-CX is the controller operating system but does not provide centralized analytics by itself. As a solution architect, you want to demonstrate a proposed network solution to a customer. Which of the following platforms can you use to demo your solution? Select 3. A. Aruba Support Portal. B. ArubaOS-CX Switch Simulator. C. Aruba Innovation Zone. D. Aruba Solution Exchange. E. Your Own Lab. F. Aruba Demo Experience Platform. The answer is BEF. ArubaOS-CX Switch Simulator allows hands-on simulation of switch configurations and features, ideal for demos. Your own lab gives full control and flexibility to showcase customized solutions. Aruba Demo Experience Platform provides a cloud-based environment with live demos, labs, and walkthroughs of Aruba solutions. In which scenario is a mode conditioning patch cable, MCPC, required to prevent signal distortion caused by differential mode delay in multimode fiber? A. When a 1000 base LX transceiver is used with 62.5, 125 micrometers multimode fiber for distances up to 500 meters. B. When a 1000 base SX transceiver is used with 62.5, 125 micrometers multimode fiber for distances up to 500 meters. C. When a 10 G base LX4 transceiver is used with 62.5, 125 micrometers multimode fiber for distances up to 2 kilometers. D. When a 10 G base LR transceiver is used with 62.5, 125 micrometers multimode fiber for distances up to 500 meters. The answer is A. 1000 base LX transceivers are single-mode laser-based devices. When used with legacy multimode fiber, especially 62.5, 125 micrometers, also known as OM1, it can cause differential mode delay, resulting in signal distortion. Mode conditioning patch cables, MCPCs, correct this by offsetting the laser to launch into the multimode fiber properly. 1000 base SX is designed for multimode and doesn't require MCPC. 10 G base LX4 or 10 G base LR are rarely used with 62.5, 125 micrometers due to distance, signal limitations and incompatibility without conversion. A customer's IT team is experienced with legacy Aruba oxygen monosulfide switch, Procurve, CLI and is concerned about transitioning to Aruba oxygen monosulfide CX due to CLI syntax differences. What are two ways to ease this transition for them? Select 2. A. Create CLI command aliases on Aruba oxygen monosulfide CX. B. Use the CLI reference guide comparing Aruba oxygen monosulfide CX, Aruba oxygen monosulfide switch, Comware, and Cisco iOS. C. Recommend Aruba CU Bank. D. Recommend the Aruba Support Portal, ASP. The answer is A. B. CLI aliases allow admins to map familiar legacy commands to Aruba oxygen monosulfide CX commands, making the transition smoother. The CLI reference guide provides a side-by-side comparison of command syntax across different platforms, Aruba oxygen monosulfide switch, OS-CX, Comware, Cisco, helping IT staff understand the differences quickly. CU Bank, likely a distractor, and ASP, support site, are useful in general but not specifically tailored to CLI learning or migration. When planning Aruba central licensing for gateways, which of the following statements are true? Select 2. A. Aruba gateway licensing is divided into Foundation, Advanced, and Foundation base categories. B. Enabling SD-WAN gateway functionality requires a security license. C. Aruba SD branch gateway licenses enable WLAN gateway features in campus deployments. D. Aruba WLAN gateway licenses include full SD branch capabilities for campus deployments. The answer is AC. A. Aruba Central Gateway licensing has three categories: Foundation Base, basic connectivity. Foundation includes monitoring and basic features. Advanced includes security, SD-WAN, and advanced features. B is incorrect because SD-WAN functionality is included in the advanced license, not in a separate security license. C is correct. SD branch gateway licenses are comprehensive and can support WLAN gateway functionality. D is incorrect. WLAN gateway licenses do not include full SD branch capabilities. A junior engineer on your team is learning about stakeholder roles in a large-scale network infrastructure project. What is the primary responsibility of the network designer, architect in this type of project? A. Supporting, troubleshooting, and monitoring the wired, wireless infrastructure. B. Investigating IDS, IPS incidents and managing firewalls. C. Authoring the low-level design and creating configurations to meet technical requirements. D. Establishing security policy and selecting infrastructure security controls. The answer is C. The network designer, architect plays a key role in translating business and technical requirements into a detailed design, which often includes the low-level design, LLD, and configuration templates that guide implementation. A describes a network administrator or engineer's operational role. B refers to a security analyst or security engineer. D is typically the responsibility of a security architect or compliance officer, not the network architect. When upgrading to 10 GBE capable equipment while reusing existing multimode fiber (MMF) infrastructure, which two factors must be considered? Select 2. A. Length of the MMF cable run. B. Type of fiber connector used. C. Type or grade of MMF cable. D. Use of a single fiber tube into the cabinet. E. Use of redundant fiber tubes into the cabinet. The answer is AC. A. Length of MMF is critical because 10 GBE has distance limitations depending on the type of MMF used, e.g., OM1, OM3, OM4. For instance, OM1 supports 10 GBE only up to approximately 33 meters. C. Type of MMF fiber matters because only certain grades, OM3, OM4, OM5, can reliably support 10 GBE over longer distances. B. Fiber connector type is not as significant for determining 10 GBE support. Most can be adapted. D and E refer more to physical cabling routes, redundancy, not to whether 10 GBE will work technically. A customer wants to use application recognition features on Aruba Oxygen Monosulfide CX switches. Which two conditions must be met to enable this functionality? Select 2. A. Use a 6400 switch with an Aruba CX Advanced license. B. Use A630F M switch with an Aruba-CX advanced license. C. Use an 8360 switch with an Aruba-CX advanced license. D. Use A6200F M switch with an Aruba-CX advanced license. The answer is AB. Application recognition requires compatible hardware capable of deep packet inspection or similar features. The 6400 and 6300F M series support this when equipped with the advanced license, which unlocks advanced features including application visibility. The 8360 and 6200F M series either do not support this feature or require different licensing or hardware capabilities.